وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is our topic Sadaqatul Fitr. Sadaqatul Fitr is the alms or charity that becomes due at pre-sunrise, mean morning prayer on the day of Eid al-Fitr. It is preferable to disburse this charity before proceeding for Eid al-Fitr prayer. Failing this, it can be distributed afterward. Upon home due, Sadaqatul Fitr is due from any Muslim on whom zakat is due. It is also payable by one from whom zakat may not have yet become due, but who possesses goods in excess of his need that are in course of time liable to zakat, whether 1 year has passed on it or not. Sadaqatul Fitr is not due from one who himself is eligible to receive zakat or Sadaqatul Fitr. If someone possesses property in excess of his needs but is at the same time indebted, then Sadaqatul Fitr becomes due if after offsetting the amount of debt, so much is left as will attract payment of zakat, otherwise not. If one pays Sadaqatul Fitr, during Ramadan, he is not required to pay it again on Eid al-Fitr day. Sadaqatul Fitr is due from self as well as on the behalf of each of one's minor children. Major children are required to pay on their own behalf. However, if a minor child is in possession of so much property on which Sadaqatul Fitr is due, it should be paid out of it. Sadaqatul Fitr is essential even if one did not observe Ramadan fasting for any reason. Quantum. Sadaqatul Fitr may be given in cash or in coin. If wheat or its flour or ground parched wheat is given, it should be 1.67 kilo or to be on the safe side 2 kilos in weight. If barley or its flour is given, it should be double of the quantity prescribed for wheat. If it is proposed to give Sadaqatul Fitr in cash, it should be equivalent of the value of the prescribed quantities of food grain converted at the ruling market price. If any food grain other than wheat or barley is to be given, its value should be equated to the value of the prescribed quantities of wheat or barley. Distribution. Sadaqatul Fitr of one person may be given to any one person or several persons. Conversely, that of several reasons can be given to only one. Those entitled to take zakat are eligible to take Sadaqatul Fitr also. The above questions are dealt within the right of Hanfi Fiqh. There may be other points of detail which may refer for clarification to Islamic scholar or to our nearly Darul Aloom, which are situated in your locality. You can ask them about the question of Idul Fitr. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. May Allah help us to earn the blessing of Ramadan fasting, reading of Quran Majid, and the night of power. Ameen.